Hey guys, Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Mi Red AirDots 3 from Xiaomi. So I got this in the navy blue version. So this just came out last week. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and some first impressions, and we're also gonna do a charging test and a pairing test as well. So let's just open it up quickly. So most of the information behind it is in Chinese. This is just about the charging hours, how long they last, the battery case and the charging case as well. So let's take this out of the box. So first we get the Redmi AirDots 3. So let's open this up. So like I said, I got this in the navy blue colorway. As you can see, we have the Redmi branding here and everything else is just minimalistic. We also have the charging connector here as well. So this charges with a USB Type-C connector. So opening it up, we have the Redmi. You can see the AirDots here. We've got two and the power button here. So let's just put this down and check what's inside the box. So inside the box, we've got the charger, as you guys can see, and we've got some extra ear tips. We've got the small size and the medium size ear tips as well, and we just have the user manual inside. So let's take a look at the user manual. So this is the Redmi user manual. It's all in Chinese, and just how to pair them and how to use the AirDots 3. So like I said, the connector charges with a USB-C connector. So we're done with the box. There's nothing else inside here. So let's look at the Redmi AirDots 3. So we're just gonna peel this off. So we're gonna, as you guys can see, turning it on, we have two indicator lights here. So having two indicator lights here means that it's charging. So we can just close it up. We also have an indicator light on the case to show whether the case is charging or not. So I'm just gonna connect this up and show you guys what the charging process looks like. So it's connected here. So I'm just gonna connect this to a socket and we're gonna check what the charging process looks like. So connecting this up, the indicator light comes on right here to show that it's charging. Inside we don't have any indicator lights, just on the AirPods themselves. So the indicator light to show that it's charging, it's outside here. So let's take this out. So now we are gonna do a little pairing test. Okay, so guys, we're gonna pair this up to the iPad and we're gonna do a little sound test to see what the sound quality is like. So we're gonna click the middle. So you hold the middle button, the power button, for you to pair. You have two indicator lights here. So you go to your Bluetooth settings and you look for the Redmi, and we have the Redmi AirDots 3 here. So we're just gonna click this to connect. So now it's connected. So we're gonna do a little sound test with the headphones, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it sounds, what the bass is like and what the treble is like as well. So on the AirPods themselves, we have the right side and the left side. We have two indicators here. So we're gonna check this out quickly. So I'm just gonna play a little sound. I'm gonna play a little song and we're gonna see what the sound quality is like, if it's any good. So but from the previous one, the AirDots 2, I can tell you that the sound quality is gonna be good. So we're gonna do that right now. So guys, talking about the sound quality of this is totally awesome. is very minimalistic. All the gestures, the pause and play that you have, they all work very well. So I'm gonna use this for a while, and I'm gonna see how long they last, what the charging is like, and I'm gonna try to do some durability test. I'm also gonna do a challenge with this and the Beats Flex and with the AirPods as well. So you guys can subscribe to the channel to check out the videos of that. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.